So I'm about to start varnishing. I'm going to put this in the sun. As you can see, I've sanded the resin patches, lightly sanded everything. I'm leaving marks on purpose. And yes, that's going to go and get varnished now. There you can see. Alright, getting ready. Okay, let's see, first layer going on. Alright, nice even strokes. Watch the drip on the side. Take the drips off. By the color. Yes, I want to leave the dirty spots, varnish over them. I sanded the back partially because I want this used look. It must look like an old map when I'm finished. Okay, so that's the first one. Look for drips. Get the edge there. Look for drips. Yeah, this one I travel with. It's my favorite for traveling because it's a very hard wood. It's the map of Africa. And it's a very hard wood. This one I'm doing now is Japanese pine. It's a very incredibly soft wood. Dense very easily. So it's not one that I travel with, but it's definitely one I have around to show friends. And it works very well. That's my hand, because traditionally we would not use these. We would have to clean the seeds out of the ganja, out of the marijuana, with our hands. So basically you would cup the material in one hand, crush it with your other hands, your fingers, and then roll the seeds out into your palm. And thereby getting rid of the seeds. That's a nice little layer. Came out so nicely. Really nice and shiny. Let's try this bad boy. This is the one I've used for the longest. It looks nice and clean on this side because I sanded it recently. It's part of the restoration project. And I'm planning to leave the other side completely untouched as it's been used, because that's the patina that I'd like built up. It's just pure resin oil, so it looks dirt, but it's actually oil from the ganja that I cleaned. I think I cleaned around about probably 3,000 joints last year. Not all for me. It's obviously cloudy because I sanded it very lightly, and I plan to use about 3 or 4 different grades of sandpaper on the resin, on Perspex resin. Now, like I said, I've used this probably 6 or 7 years, if not longer. So she has seen a bit of action. I use it if I have to clean large quantities of marijuana. Okay. In Minecraft, of course. And last but not least, the Eye of Horus. Okay. Oops. Drop. Look how nice that color is coming. Look how nice that color is coming. It's gonna stay that way. Oh, I'm getting so excited. This particular piece is going to a friend of mine. He probably doesn't know it yet. He doesn't watch my videos. Hopefully he doesn't watch my videos. Yeah, so well, I'll tell you now the varnish that I'm using. I try to use a eco-friendly varnish because obviously you're going to be chopping with your scissors on this board. Hopefully you won't be chopping into the board, but it does happen. Oh, it's looking so beautiful. Getting all creamy here. Some dash more. Sorry about the quality of the video. Can't afford a GoPro just yet. On it. Yeah, so yes, seeds you generally get if you get homegrown marijuana. If it's grown indoors, the chances of it having seeds are very slim. So if you ever buy marijuana or get given marijuana and it's got seeds in it, and the guy tells you, oh, that's indoor, and he charges you a hectic price, just throw it in his face. Yeah, yeah. If it's got seeds, you basically guaranteed that it is an outdoor plant. And if you have an outdoor plant, it's basically guaranteed that you're gonna get seeds. It's starting to look really nice. Here comes a car. And diesel at that. Bastards. Just when I'm getting finished here. Okay, well that's it. Sorry for the interruption. That was the local traffic police. Come to ask me for directions. Or not ask me, come to ask me, but stopped and asked for directions. Fills me with encouragement. I thought it was one of my many fans coming. Oh, joking. Anyway, so this is what we're dealing with. I think she is looking very, very pretty. Okay, this one, she's quite drying. Got things falling out of the sky. Alright, I'm gonna put this away. Try not to get dust on everything. Just check it out. Okay, so once it's dry, I'll give it a light sand. And another coat or two of varnish. There's a tin lacquer. And I'll check you a bit later.